Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this animated text using only HTML and CSS, and you can add this animated text used on your website. So before I start this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. So without wasting time, let's start. Okay, so here I've created one file for index for our HTML, index.html, and the other file for our CSS. So on my folder, I've created a folder. Now my folder is called text animation because we're going to create animation text. And now my title is text animation. So what I'm going to do is create my h1. So after I create, I'll just write maybe subscribe. So I'll just go to my CSS, and now we need to open this into our we can say go live. So here is our text. You can only see the h1 with a black color. Now what I need to do is go to the CSS. Now with all the text animation, it's all about the CSS, not mainly about the HTML. So we are going to style this. So I'll start with the basic CSS. And 0, I want to give a padding also 0. So after doing this, we can just style our h1, and I will give a font family. What font? Wait, sorry. Font family. Sans serif. Now next, I want to add text align center. Also, I want to add margin top 100 pixel. Also, what I want to add is the font size. I'll also give it 100 pixel. Next, I want to add is the font weight, and here the font weight, maybe I wanted to give like 800. It will be enough. Now next, I want to say the color transparent. Now when I save this and refresh my browser, you can see this text at the center, but it's transparent. You can see it. I mean, it's very invisible to see the text. So what I want to do is, now we are going to add the animation using the background image and URL. Now go to this website called giphy.com, and what I'm going to do is just go here, this copy link. So I will leave the link in the link description. You can visit this website. Now what I want to do is copy link, and I will say a GIF link. So I will just copy this link here. So after doing that and refresh and reload your web page, you're going to see this rainbow animation. Now next, what I want to do is, we want to set a background position, and I will say it center. I want it to be at the center. Now next, what I want to do is add a WebKit background clip. Now because if we go back to our browser, because we don't see our text, You see the text is we're not seeing the text, it's invisible. We want to make this text visible inside this animation rainbow. So what I will do is I will set a background clip and I will say here text. If I save this, this page is going to appear. Now we can see our text, and it's also animated. It has a background animation. Now let's add some more text to this. I want here to create a break, thematic break, and I will say subscribe to, and I will also give another break to Codemo. Now save this and refresh your browser. There you go, we have this animation text, subscribe to Codemo. It looks nice, and you can also use it for your website. Now you know how to create text animation. Make sure please subscribe to my channel for more videos, as I'm going to be uploading videos every week, once in a week. So till next time, bye.